No matter what they teach us, what we believe is true. No matter what they call us, however they attack, no matter where they take us, we'll find our